Welcome to the Dark Mythos Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. Dark Mythos is a fantasy trading card game that integrates blockchain technology to offer a gaming experience through NFTs. The platform is designed to appeal to both trading card enthusiasts and fans of fantasy literature, incorporating rich narrative elements within its gameplay. Players in the Dark Mythos universe collect and trade digital cards, each embedded with exclusive stories that provide deeper insights into the game's lore and character backgrounds. Dark Mythos smart contracts were audited between August 7th and 23rd, 2024 by Armed Goose, Vivisk, and Zhuhive Mod. The audit finished with the following scores: security score 100%, documentation quality 95%, code quality 95%. Let's review the issues identified. The data parameter in batch transfer from is repeated for all transfers. Change to bytes call data in the argument and later in the transferring loop. Lack of CI pattern may lead to re-entrancy. Consider using the checks effects interactions pattern in the mint function. Royalty fraction can be set to 100%. It is recommended to implement strict validation checks in the smart contract's royalty setting function to ensure that royalties cannot be configured to 100%. A potential solution is to define a maximum allowable fee percentage that preserves the contract's functionality and user experience. We're excited to announce that Dark Mythos smart contracts are now more secure than ever, with our team thoroughly verifying and confirming the enhancements. The Dark Mythos team has addressed the issues and minimized vulnerabilities. Explore the full audit results in our report. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.